Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will be doing this unboxing video about this GOVO Surround 900 soundbar. So this is all new soundbar under very low budget. So this is 2.1 ch Bluetooth soundbar, 200 volt. You can see this. So in this you will get this sound woofer, one speaker. Here it is soundbar. So let's talk about its main specification friends. So friends, you will see it's having this high definition sound with DSP chipset, 200 volt powerful 3D sound of 4 exclusive 2.5 drivers with 6.5 subwoofers it's having in this, and it's having wireless Bluetooth 5.3, so it can easily connect and having fastest connectivity. You can switch through 4 different equalizers having the remote inside the box, and you can change the movie mode, news mode and sports modes. So it's having 4 modes in the remote. So friends, it's having 1 year of warranty in the box. You can see this, and you can see it's having the deep bass with the most elegant subwoofer it's having, and having multiple ports, so you can directly connect to your TV, your monitor, anything. You can see this multiple connectivity through aux, HDMI and USB, so you can connect with these 3 ports. So let's start the unboxing. So friends, here are all the inside the box. So here it is subwoofer GOVO branding, and here it is the huge sound bar is there. So in this you will get this some wall mount kit, so you can hang this soundbar to the wall. And here it is the manual, you can read it how you can use this. And in this you will get one remote is there. So friends, in this remote there will be no batteries inside, so you have to put from your side also, and there is no battery inside. So you can see it's having the power button, and there are 4 modes. 3 modes are there: music, news and movie. You can increase and decrease the bass from here. Here it is 3D mode. You can reset your speaker also. If it is connected to the another device, it will be disconnected. You can just increase the volume up, volume down, pause and play. You can mute it. Here it is input also to start it. Let's talk about the speaker friends. So it's having this, you can see here it is the LED panel, so it will show you the Bluetooth mode over here. So here it is the GOVO branding, and it is a tough material, you can see, and it's having the dynamic light over this side. When I start it, I will show you. And in the bottom there is also one dynamic light is there, 3 side is there. So I will show you the ports and buttons about this also. So friends, in this you will see here it's having the power on off button, and it's volume up and down, pause and play, and one dynamic light. You can increase and decrease, and you can simply turn it off also. So let's talk about the ports. So it's having at the back ports, so it's a aux port, one HDMI. If you want to connect with the TV, you have to just put inside that HDMI cable with your TV and it's connected. Here it is aux, and it's having this subwoofer, so you can connect this subwoofer. So this is the tool for the subwoofer. You have to just simply put in this port like this. I will show you, and now it's connected. You can see this subwoofer, this is for bass, increasing and decreasing the bass, so it is connected to this. And you can see at the back here it is some material, and at the back you will see it is connected to this. And friends, this is for mount, you can hang it on the wall. Here it is, you can see this. So it's having the huge cable also, this one. You can just directly connect to the power, and it's now started. So let's start it and connect to the mobile phone. Friends, you can see I have switched on this speaker and it's showing the power, that is this. So let's open and power on this. So it is the remote of it. Let's open it first. So you can see friends, dynamic light, you can see this dynamic light, green light. So it's having the good light. You can increase and decrease it. At night it looks very good when you just start the speaker. So here it is the BT mode, that is the pairing mode you can say. So let's connect it through this smartphone. So here let's open the Bluetooth first. And so friends, you can see this one, this goes around 900. You have to just simply tap on here. It is now pairing. You have to click on pair and you can see it is paired successfully. Now BT mode is written, it means it is now paired. Let's click on this input. So you can see here it's having the HD. When you just click on USB, if you want to connect with USB, you can connect through USB also. Here it is aux mode. I will show here it is the aux mode. I will tell you again. So here it is the aux port. You have to just put the aux cable and to your TV or your smartphone and it is connected. So I am just telling you about the Bluetooth first. So now it is active now. So let's play some music. So friends, I have turned off the lights so you can see the dynamic lights effects is good. Here it is, I have turned on the lights, so it is now connected. Let's play this movie. So enjoy.
थैंक्स। मैं ऑफ ऑटो लैंडिंग कर सकता था लेकिन ये सूट नया है ना, थोड़ा जम ले रहा, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, मैं एडजस्ट कर लूंगा। ये परफेक्ट है।
हाँ ठीक है, रनिंग कमेंट्री देने की जरूरत नहीं है।
कैप्टन जबरा फैन स्पाइडरमैन।
बस बहुत हो गया, बाकी
Let's change the mode also.
एंट्री के बेवकूफ हो।
So friends, here it is the movie mode.
अरे यार वो क्या था? लीजिए डिलीवरी, पेमेंट कार्ड से देंगे या उधारी? बड़ी।
Friends, you can see it's having the music mode and this movie. If you want to play movie, you can just tap on this. So you will having the great experience by changing these mode. So let's the next mode is music mode. Let's change this mode. Friends, let's change this one mode. Here it is music, this one even mode. So friends, let's test this gameplay also. This is, you can read this one, Shadow of the Tomb Raider. So friends, this is the unboxing and review. I hope you like this GOVO Go Surround. So let's play this one. So friends, do you like this one Go Surround? I will tell you its real price in this lowest budget. So friends, I have opened this Flipkart. You can see this one. So this is around 6,000 and there are multiple power outputs. So this is 200-watt output it's having, 6.5 wired subwoofer. So here it is best offer for this. So it is for a credit card, 600 off. So it is almost 5,400 you will get. So if you like this one, so you have to just definitely buy this one. So its base and the clarity it's having at this price range is best of all of these. There are lots of companies in this range, so it is the bestest one I have showed you. So if you like this one, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have given the link in the description. Go and check it out there, and I will be In the next video I will do another one, soundbar. Thanks for watching.